Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name's Lauren, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Ipsy bag this February. And it came in this cute bag with all these lipstick prints on it, you know, kind of like Valentine's Day themed. I have a loose string right here. It's kind of zipped up, and some loose fuzzies right here. But the bag is still really cute, as always. So let's get into what is actually in the bag. So first off, I got this highlighter, Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster, like this. And it says not tested on animals on the back, so that's good. And it's kind of a purpley tint, like a purpley pinkish tint. It does look really pretty. When you swatch it on your hand or something, it doesn't look very pigmented. You probably can't really tell. But I have tried it out on my cheeks. I don't have it on my cheeks right now. I have on something else. But it does look more, you know, like something's there when it's actually on your cheeks instead of just on your hand. And then we have this highlighter brush, I guess, to go with it. I already have gotten a brush exactly like this in an Ipsy bag before, which I'm not complaining because I do like it. It is Mata Pro BMX 265 Glow. It's just like this. So it is really nice for applying highlighter. I don't really need any more highlighter brushes, so Ipsy, if you're watching this, you don't have to send me anymore. I've already gotten like 5 from Ipsy. Next, I got this concealer, Be Right Illuminating Concealer from Kokie Professional. Looks like this. And this is what I'm wearing today. I put this on this morning, and I've been wearing it for a few hours now, and it did go on really nice. This is what the applicator looks like, and I do really like it. It was buildable, and it's a really nice light color. It is in the shade medium beige. And I've never tried this concealer before, but I did really like it. It did crease up just a little bit, but I still think it worked really well, and it's pretty buildable. So I do like that. The last 2 products are both lip products. We first have this Hanalei lip treatment in peach pink. I just put this on a few minutes ago, and it looks like this. It's just like a little chapstick kinda. And then we have this, I think that just says Leia or Leia. Prickly Pear. This is like a lip gloss, I guess. It looks really bright. I haven't even put this on, let's see. Oh my gosh, this smells exactly like peaches. Like, exactly. Like, if you think the, what's it called? Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced smells good, this smells exactly like peaches. And it is kind of bright pink. Probably not something I would really wear, but I mean, it is nice and does smell really good. And that is everything I got in my Ipsy bag this time. And I know my hair's a mess. Oh well. It needs washing. I'll get to that later today. And I know it's a frizzy mess, but thanks for watching what was all in my Ipsy bag. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.